Everybody. So I'm out here in East Legon, Accra, Ghana. It's Saturday morning, and right now I'm about to get picked up by Isaac, the driver. He drives for Uber. I met him yesterday, but he's gonna take me to go look at some bikes, some motorcycles. And along the way, I'll be stopping here and there to talk to businesses about painting on their walls. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can find something. So we can go check out the car place. Yeah, to check out the motorcycles. But I'm gonna be looking along the way to see if I see any walls that I want to paint. You see what I'm saying? And I might want to stop and.
Have you been to Osu before?
I went there once the other day, so I was even thinking of going over
that
there.
Side, I've seen like 4 bikes or 5 bikes parked there and they are selling.
Okay, yeah, maybe we can go there.
You can go there and go to car parks.
Okay, that's fine.
Is the weather okay or they see? Is the weather okay?
Yes, it's fine.
And they even have this 4 times bike.
Oh, the ATV.
Yeah.
Okay. So my rate for today, are you gonna give me like a bundle rate, or are we gonna charge by the trip? How are we gonna work that out?
Oh, this is going to be off trip, or?
Say what?
It's going to be off trip.
Okay.
Or?
Just let me know. Yeah, just let me know.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I know how much it costs to get to Osu and back, and
Okay. And how much is that?
Uber usually charges like 30 CDs. 25 to 30 CDs.
So this one in and out.
Yeah. So we'll talk, okay? We'll work it out. Yeah. So I'm here with Yosef with Rasta Do It. He sells different types of art crafts and custom design sneakers. You want to tell us a little bit about your business?
Yeah, this is what I made. This is my handmade. I bought a canvas, the All-Star, and I just put a clothes on it. The fabric, this is kente fabric. It's my handmade. I sew them. You can see it around.
Very nice.
That's it.
Very nice.
I made it with a phone cover too.
Okay.
Look at it. This is my phone. This is mine.
Right. Yeah. So
that's my made.
So where can they find you?
Oh, you can find me on Facebook, on Instagram. On Facebook, I use Rasta Do It. Rasta and then Do It. And then the same name on Instagram.
Okay.
So you can find me.
So you can find Yosef here with his products on Facebook and Instagram at Rasta Do It.
Yeah.
That's Rasta Do It.
You don't know.
So we have this wall here. I'm gonna come back to Oxford Street in Osu, Accra, and we're gonna decorate it and give him a nice background for his business. Okay.
Yeah, respect.
All right.
Done.
Peace. Yeah. Hey, I'm looking for a motorcycle. I say I'm looking for a motorcycle. You have some for sale? None for sale? Yeah, yeah.
You are selling it.
Okay, and what are the prices for these? I like that one. Yeah. 26,000. And this one? How much? 26,000. How much is selling this one? No. Just this? Okay. So I just looked at some motorcycles and it's a Yamaha. Yeah. Crotch rocket. But it's a little bit too expensive. It's out of my budget, so. Say what? Yeah, Kawasaki's good. So we're gonna go to Car Price and check out the prices there, compare the prices.
The new one, the BM.
Yeah.
The BM type.
Yeah.
Big ones.
Yeah. Big ones.
That one, their price is
Yeah, okay. So, you know, I'm looking at some big bikes. Yeah.
Your man needs to go that way.
So what are the prices on these? Which one's for sale? All of them?
I think all of them are selling it.
Okay. You have prices.
Yeah. This one is fair. This one is 350.
Say it one more time.
300. 350.
Okay.
This one is 30,000.
Okay.
This one is 400.
Yeah. What about Honda?
SX.
This one is Jajah. And this one is
25,000.
Okay.
designer too.